In this video, we will learn how to land on the page and navigate the first step in the process, which is Choose Integration option. Do you know what DCIM stands for? DCIM stands for Data Center Infrastructure Management. Before we deep dive into the tool, let's understand the basic information about DCIM software. This software is used to monitor, measure, and manage data centers. It covers both IT equipment and supporting infrastructure, such as power and cooling systems. It is intended to help managers achieve maximum energy efficiency and to help prevent equipment problems that lead to downtime. Data center infrastructure management software is broadly categorized into two main components, namely monitoring automation and planning implementation. Monitoring automation ensures that the data center is operating as designed and provides user-configurable thresholds for alarms on physical devices, including heat, ventilation, and air conditioning. When we talk about planning implementation, it focuses on helping IT managers facilitate data center changes, deploy new equipment for peak efficiency, and track assets. DCIM as tools that monitor, measure, manage, and/or control data center utilization and energy consumption of all IT-related equipment, such as servers, storage and network switches, and facility infrastructure components, such as power distribution units, PDUs, and computer room air conditioners, CRACs. Under the data center's physical infrastructure, the customer can choose different products in uninterrupted power supply, UPS, cooling, security and environmental monitoring, racks and accessories, power distribution, data center software, services, and networking and cable solutions. Our comprehensive DCIM solution, EcoStruxure IT, enables secure monitoring, management, insights, planning, and modeling from a single IT rack to hyperscale IT, on-premises, in the cloud, and at the edge. EcoStruxure IT currently consists of EcoStruxure IT App, EcoStruxure IT Gateway, and EcoStruxure Web Interface. And based on all the available system requirements, here is the working of physical and IT infrastructure. Click this link to learn more about the DCIM software. Now that you are acquainted with the information on physical and IT infrastructure, let's understand the solution quotation and its configuration. You must log in to the design portal and select Create a Solution to view the offered data center solution and product configuration. You will view different options under EcoStruxure Data Center Solutions, Designers, and Product Configuration based on the country selected. These options will serve different purposes for the customers. Different configurators cater to different product categories, and we will understand how a sales representative or partner can generate a software solution quote by providing the number of racks, IT devices, and monitoring points through the DCIM configurator. Before understanding the purpose of using the DCIM configurator, we will know the features of DCIM. DCIM configurator allows you to configure quotes consisting of data center monitoring software and security and environmental solutions. Unique solution numbers for all quotations. Roll pricing for software and service into one line for each category. The solution should be available in currencies available through pricing.apc.com. Apart from being used as a standalone configurator for software configuration, DCIM can also be used within Row Data Center to provide software solutions. The purpose of the DCIM configurator tool can be fulfilled either as a standalone configuration or a configuration in Row Data Center Designer. First, let's understand the standalone configuration. The main purpose of it is that a sales representative or partner can generate DCIM solution quotes quickly and efficiently by providing just the number of racks, IT devices, and monitoring points. Once you log in to the design portal, click Configure under DCIM Configurator. This configurator includes two fundamental options, which are software and digital services and additional parts. DCIM Configurator is basically used for only software transactional purposes and does not possess pre-design. Hence, you must provide all the required information as per the questions. DCIM configuration in the Row Data Center Designer has broader features when compared to standalone configuration. Click Configure to learn more. Row Data Center Designer Configurator has multiple products that can be configured like rack cooling, power, containment, DCIM, and services. With these products, a complete virtual data center can be designed. In Row Data Center Designer, the DCIM plays an additional role by not just configuring as a standalone configuration, but also for the complete design. Let's understand further the overall configuration through DCIM. We have added 10 racks, along with PDUs and a few sensors through Security and Environmental tab. After adding the PDUs and sensors, click Add to Unplaced to save the design. Here, you will see all the selected racks under Unplaced Equipment. Once all the racks, PDUs, and sensors are placed, they are called as nodes. Broadly, these nodes are the connecting devices. As a use case, we have added the racks in two different rows by dragging them to the floor. After adding the racks to the floor, select DCIM and select all the required components. Then click Configure. Now, select all three major solutions. Once you configure both data center software and security environmental monitoring, you will see that the purpose of DCIM configuration under Row Data Center Designer is fulfilled. Now, we'll go back to the designer. Once the components are saved, you will see that the data center design, configured through DCIM Configurator tool, is added with icons, ladders, and cables. Click the blue tab for the Detailed Bill of Materials, BOM. Under the Bill of Materials, you will see a detailed list of a number of racks and additions under cables. These components are added under a design level, but not under an individual rack level. Hence, the design configured under Row Data Center Designer through the DCIM configuration tool is applicable for the entire design, but not for the individual rack alone. This is the main purpose of configuration through the DCIM configuration tool. With this, we have come to the end of this video. You learned about the introduction and purposes of Data Center Infrastructure Management tool in this video. In the next video, we will learn about the use cases and software offers of DCIM configuration tool.